Hey YouTube, this is Evil Hazard 1015, and yeah, that's my phone on my seat, and BMX Kid 649 is on the other line.
613, buddy, get it right.
Whatever. So yeah, I got some new stuff for my bike. Well, not too much actually. I just got some brake arms. My friend over there's died on the other line. Actually, I was doing some jumps and stuff, and my cable got all messed up, so I had to like chop it. It was kind of weird. I don't really think I talked to you about my stock parts and custom parts, but I guess you can kind of tell. I just got today actually. I bought some Ditech brake arms, if you can kind of see them. Yeah. Yeah, shut up. They're white and green, and my friend actually was telling me, oh yeah, people like to hear your hub when you need to spin it wicked fast, so I guess I'll do that just to shut them up. So here you go. Yeah, if you guys can notice, I took off the pegs. I got no pegs anymore. BMX wants to talk to you guys, I guess.
You guys should check out my new bike check. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, don't listen to this kid, listen to me. So.
Yeah, whatever, BMX. Well, I'll talk to you guys later when I get my other parts. Peace.